Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. So, today we will learn two letters. Okay, at first O, then P. Okay, O and P. Today we will learn these two letters. Okay, so take out your English book and turn on the page number 53 because at first we will learn about the letter O. Then we will learn about the letter P. Okay, and after learning these letters and some words starting with the letters, then we will learn how to write the letters. Okay, O and P also. Okay, so let's start. This is the capital letter P and this is the small letter P. This is the capital letter P and this is the small letter P. And here we have, what is this? This is an ox. And what is this? This is an orange. So, this ox and orange are starting with the letter O. So, we can say O for ox, O for orange. O for ox, O for orange. O will sound like O, otherwise A. Okay. Sometimes it changes its sound. Okay. So, we can say O for ox and O for orange. We have learned two words starting with the letter O. And now, come to the book. Here we have a rhyme. You can see now. And here is the capital letter O and here is the small letter O. So, at first let's read the rhyme. Okay. The owl was standing on an oak. He was wearing a long black cloak. Again, the owl was standing on an oak. He was wearing a long black cloak. Here, this rhyme is about this owl. Okay. And this owl is wearing a long black cloak. Okay. And now we will learn some words starting with the letter O. Like, what is this? This is a tree and this tree is called oak. This is a oak tree and this oak is starting with the letter O. And what is this? This is an owl and this owl is also starting with the letter O. So, we have learned two more words starting with the letter O. Oak and owl. Okay. So, you have to learn this word starting with the letter O. And now, come to the next page. Here, you have to read aloud along with your teacher. You have to read aloud along with your teacher. At first, what is this? Ostrich. Ostrich is a kind of bird. And what is this? This is an octopus. Okay. And what is this? This is otter. Otter means bhodur. And we all know about the octopus. And this is otter. Otter means bhodur. And what is this? We have already learned. This is an ox. So, we have learned more words starting with the letter O. So, we can say O for ostrich, O for octopus, O for otter and O for ox also. Okay. So, you have to learn this word starting with the letter O. Okay. Now, come to the next page. Here is an activity. You have to tick the picture whose name start with letter O. Here you have to tick the pictures whose names start with the letter O. So, at first, what is this? This is an orange. An orange. O. This orange is starting with the letter O. So, you have to put a tick mark on this circle, pink circle. Okay. And what is this? This is omelette. Omelette. And this omelette is also starting with the letter O. So you have to put a tick mark on this also. And now what is this? This is a hut. We have learned in our previous class. And this hut is not starting with the letter O. So we don't need to put a tick mark on this circle. Okay. And now come to the next picture. What is this? This is oyster. This is oyster. Oyster means ঝিনুক. Okay. যেটা সমুদ্রে পাওয়া যায়, এই যে octopus and this oyster. Okay. So oyster is starting with the letter O. Oyster. So you have to put a tick mark on this circle. Okay. And what is this? This is oil. 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 So oil is also starting with the letter O. So you have to put a tick mark on this circle also. And what is this? This is a table fan. And table fan is not starting with the letter O. So leave it. So here we have orange, omelette, oyster and oil. Okay. So this is your homework. Write HW on this page and do it in your book. Okay. And now we will learn about the letter P. We will learn about the letter P. We have learned O and now we will learn about the letter P. Here you can see this is the capital letter P and this is the small letter P. Okay, this is the capital letter P and this is the small letter P. And here we have penguin. What is this? This is a penguin. And what is this? I have in my hand. You can see na? Pencil. So this penguin and pencil are starting with the letter P. You can see na? So we can say P for penguin, P for pencil. And P will sound like P. P will sound like P. Okay. So you have to learn these words. P for penguin, P for pencil. Okay. Now come to the book. Here you can see the capital letter P and this is the small letter P. Okay. And here we have a rhyme also. The potter makes pots on a wheel. He uses only clay, not steel. The potter makes pots on a wheel. He uses only clay, not steel. Potter means kumor, who makes earthen pots or clay pots. Okay. Here you can see. Who is he? He is a potter. See, this man is making pots with clay. Okay, so this is a potter and this word potter is starting with the letter P. So we can say P for potter. Okay, and what is he making? He is making pots. And this pot is also starting with the letter P. So here also we can say P for pot. So we have learned two more words. P for pot and P for potter. So you have to learn these two words also. Okay. And now come to the next page. Here you have to read aloud along with your teacher. Okay. So what is this? We have already learned. This is pencil. And this pencil is starting with the letter P. So we can say P for pencil. And what is this? This is a pen. And this pen is also starting with the letter P. So we can say P for pen also. And penguin already we have learned. And what is this? This is a parachute. Okay. And this parachute is also starting with the letter P. So we have learned so many words starting with the letter P. Okay, and you have to learn these words. Okay. Now come to the next page. Here is an activity. Here you have to color the pictures whose names start with the letter P. Already we have done this type of work in our previous classes. So it is very easy. Okay. So at first find out what pictures are starting with the letter P. At first, what is this? This is a pail. Pail means balti. Pail means balti. So this pail is starting pail, pail. So this pail is starting with the letter P. So you have to color this pail. Okay. And then this is a key. And we have already learned that K for key, not P for key. Isn't it? So we don't need to color this. We have to color this pail. And then what is this? This is a dog. And dog is not starting with the letter P. So leave it. And what is this? This is a pant. Pant. Pant is starting with the letter P. So you have to color this pant also. And then what is this? This is a parrot. And parrot is starting with the letter P. So you have to color this parrot also. Okay. And then what is this? This is a pizza. And we love pizza. Isn't it? So this pizza is also starting with the letter P. So you have to color this pizza also. Here you have to color these 4 things. Pail, parrot, pant and pizza. Okay. This will be your homework. So write HW on this page and complete it in your book. Okay. And now we will learn how to write the letters O, and P. Okay. Here is your worksheet. Here you have to write O and P following the video. Okay. At first, we will write O. This letter O. Okay. And writing letter O is very easy. We know circle. We have already in our previous homework we have done this type of work na, circle the things, and O is a circle. Okay. So you have to just একটা গোল করতে হবে. Okay. তো ওটাই হয়ে যাবে O. So but you have to maintain line. Okay. You have to remind this. Okay. Maintain line. So at first go to the red line or the first line, then draw a circle touching the third line. Okay. Not the last red line. Okay, you have to maintain line properly. Otherwise, it will not become the letter O. Okay. Again, just draw a circle touching the first line to third line. Okay, like this. And it will become the letter O. And writing O is very, very, very easy. Okay. And now, let's try it again. See? Writing letter O is very easy. Like this. Okay. You have to maintain the lines. Okay. Do not touch the last red line. Okay. Now we will learn how to write the letter P. Writing P is also very easy. See? At first you have to draw a standing line from first line to third line like this. First line to or red line to third line like this. Standing line. Then go to the top and draw a right open curved line. Okay, left open curved line. Left open curved line from here to here. Okay. So it becomes the letter P. Again, at first draw a standing line from first line to third line. Then go back to the top again and draw a left open curved line. Small left open curved line like this. Okay. Now it becomes the letter P, and writing P is very easy. See? Writing P is very easy. So, we have learned about the letter O and P, and also how to write the letter O and P. So, this is your homework and practice at home. See you in the next video. Bye bye.